So if you just picked up a Dyson V10 vacuum, regardless of the model, the Animal, the Absolute, or the Motorhead, you might be trying to figure out how you change or clean the filter. And it's different than on a vacuum like the V7 or the V6. So I wanted to do this quick video about it. Basically, the V10 has a HEPA style filter, which instead of putting up here, like right around here where Dyson put the previous models, and especially the V7, the V6, DC59, their filter, the filter is now back here. And this is the HEPA style filter. So all the exhaust from the vacuum goes through this filter, and it is of HEPA quality, which basically is top notch. So it's ideal for people with allergies and that sort of thing. So this comes with some slight instructions, but they're not really clear, so I wanted to run through them. So here goes. Basically, this filter, this purple part, can turn off. It only turns a few degrees, so don't try to really wrench it. It's basically from here. I'll go from here, so you can see the Dyson sticker, to here. That's maybe 20 degrees. It's not very far. Then put this down, you give it a pull, and now we can see the full HEPA filter. Get this out of the way. And now we can see the whole HEPA filter. And this unit can be replaced, like you could buy a new one altogether, but you don't have to do that. As you can see from back here, the filter is washable. What you're gonna wanna do is put it under cold water in your sink and give it a really good wash. The plastic pieces in here are very sensitive, so you're thinking about squeezing this, do yourself a favor and don't really squeeze it. You could press it gently with some paper towels, but you don't want to press it hard because these plastic pieces in the back of those ribs will break. The filter, I don't believe, can be removed from this purple unit. I've played with it a little bit and I haven't seen a way to remove it without breaking it. So even though it seems like a good idea, it does not seem like it can be removed. So what you're gonna wanna do is give it a really thorough rinsing in cold water, pat it dry with paper towels to the best you can, and then let it sit out and let it dry. Dyson recommends 24 hours, and I've found that roughly to be accurate because if you put this in your vacuum wet, some of the parts in here could get wet, and it's not a great idea. In a previous vacuum, like the V7, the filter came very close to this cleaning apparatus up here, those channels, and any water in the filter could break the vacuum. That's probably not the case here with the V7 since all the air is going through the motor, then hitting the filter, but still, I would say like you really want this to be dry before you put it back, even though there's less risk than in previous models. So after 24 hours, when it's fully dry, you're gonna put it back here. Look for that sticker at the top, push it firmly, twist. You will feel a firm click at the end. So it's not gonna be that easy to twist because the rubber seal in there, and that seal is really important to make sure there's no air leakage. But once you turn it, listen for a nice firm click sound. One more time. With that, you're done. The vacuum will work and you should be good to go. So key points here, only one filter, it's right here. It's replaceable or cleanable. Only clean it with cold water. Don't press too hard or try to take it apart because it will break. And then wait at least 24 hours until it's fully dry before replacing it. That's it. That's how you clean or replace the filter on your Dyson V10 vacuum. Thanks for watching.